Well, hi everyone. I've made a little video about my studio so you can see my workshop area to give you a bit of an idea, because this is the first time that I've ever done workshops, and just to show you the environment that the workshops are in, and it's to show you that it's really a non-intimidating, really friendly, safe environment, and that we have nice facilities here. So I've just done a little video to show you about that ahead of my first workshop, which is the advent calendar one. And then the feedback I've been getting about my workshops is that some people are just a bit afraid of sewing. They want to learn to sew, but they don't know how to use the machine, or they just feel worried about the whole thing. So what I've decided to do is change my second workshop, which was on the 2nd of December, into an open day, so that everyone will be welcome to come and have a look at where I am at my studio, shop if they want, have a cup of tea. Hopefully I'll have some cakes and biscuits as well, and I can meet you all and you can meet me. And I'll have my sewing machines set out so that there'll be an opportunity for people to have a go during the day, and for me to show, if you don't know, it's totally fine, and I can show you how the machines work. And I'm planning to have some little bunching triangles cut out and some bias binding ready, so that if people want to, they can make a little bit of Christmas bunting themselves, just to give them an idea. So I think I'll maybe do that. I'll change it on my website so that it's not the bunting day anymore, because I feel that the people that would be coming to that are also the people that really want a bit more help and just feel anxious and just want someone to say, it's totally fine, this is all you do, it's so straightforward. So have a little look at my video so you can see where I am, and see what you think. And hopefully you're going to come along to the open day and have a look. There's no pressure to buy at the open day. It's just literally come and see where I am, see what's available, and give me your ideas. What would you like to see? What would you like a workshop on? Would you like me to do quilting? Would you like more complex things? Because I'm new at this too, so I'm trying to feel my way and find out what people want, what people want to see, if there's certain things they want me to stock, and just come along and have a look and chat, and we can exchange ideas over a cup of tea, and it'll be fabulous. So I hope to see you in December.